and welcome back to my channel. My name is Samantha and it's Halloween day and I thought I would just play around with some Halloween makeup. It used to be something that I was really into in my previous videos, and this year, obviously, I don't know, is Halloween canceled because we're still gonna like play around with makeup and take some pictures. We're not really going anywhere, but just to have some fun. I'm gonna be doing a school makeup look. It's definitely not a tutorial. I'm just playing around and seeing how it turns out. This is my inspo picture that I'm working with. I'm kind of nervous. It looks really tough, but we're gonna see how this turns out. So just follow me along and let's get right on into it. So from the picture, I'm gonna start with outlining the whole skull, like right around the jawline here. I'm gonna be using just some black cream paint. So she kind of starts up by the jawbone, and then I'm gonna make it really faint because I don't want like a harsh line. So I just want it to naturally kind of blend into the white part. So it's gonna be just a half face look. So I got the lines just lightly drawn, and this is the fun part. I'm just gonna basically cover my face in white paint. So here's a cream makeup, just white paint from the Halloween store. This paint does not smell good. This stuff dries pretty quickly, so as soon as it's on your face, you gotta blend it in. I am gonna go right over my lips. Just get the whole thing coated. So it's pretty much all coated evenly now, and I'm gonna move on to the nose. And here she just has her nose all painted black. So I'll go in with that black cream again. I feel like I look more like a Dalmatian right now than an actual skeleton. It's coming along. This is what it looks like so far. So this next part, we're gonna add in the teeth. And I have someone that I trust more than myself because she's an artist and she's really good at like watching pictures and then tracing them. So I don't know, I just feel like she can do this better than I can. So we got the base down.
Alright guys, so this makeup process took some serious concentration, but just a few tips here. The drawing the smiley part is pretty easy and self-explanatory, and you can really make it as big as you want for more dramatic effect, but I kept mine pretty simple. And then as she's going in drawing the teeth, you'll see there's just a natural curve line to make them look like actual teeth. And then as you get towards my lips, you'll just want to follow the curve of the lips to make it look more natural. And then this part, we kept it pretty simple by just adding in one line just to make my face look a little bit sunk in, and then make sure you go out and blend it. This part is really crucial so you don't have just a harsh line on your face, so take some time for that. And then also make sure you go back in and blend out the teeth.
I can't talk too much, but here's the final look. So we'll do an outfit change real quick so I can have the full costume on. Be right back. What's up guys? So this is the finished look. I'm actually really happy with it. So I got just a cropped hoodie to wear with it. This I actually got from Shein. It was like 10 bucks and just a little cropped hoodie. And I got, you know, the bones on the side. And the coolest part is obviously the hood. I mean, look at that. So this is my makeup look, and we got our next person coming in. We'll be doing her makeup look. I think what's really cool about doing like skeleton looks, or you can call them sugar skulls, is that there is so many different ways to do it. So hers is gonna be a little bit more like Day of the Dead, Dia de los Muertos. Did I say it right? Dia, oh my god, I can't laugh. Stop it. Dia de los Muertos. Her look is gonna be a little bit more like the sugar skull kind, which is really fun. So come on in, Fleur. It's your turn, girlfriend.
Okay.
All right.
Hi. Okay, so the makeup look I'm gonna go for is this under here. I found. And it's not gonna be the same exact color, but it's gonna be kind of different.
So you're gonna do that look, but with black.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
And show everybody your hoodie.
Oh.
Or it's not a hoodie, it's just a sweater.
So I got the skeleton shirt and I got a skirt.
Yeah. That one was also from Shein.
So my sister's gonna help me put some white face cream on my face.
That's right. And I think the way I did it on my face is I put the paint on me and then I blended it in. And I actually don't recommend that way because the paint dries really fast. So for her, I'm gonna put it directly on the brush. Wait, actually, like, being a makeup artist might be fun. Right? Now that I'm here, like, this is fun.
That looked weird.
Are you gonna be a clown or a skeleton?
Skeleton.
The world may never know. And a little bit more paint for your face. You are a makeup person today. Yeah, yeah.
So I'm gonna do the little smiley face thing on the side.
In the meantime, I'm gonna be doing makeup on the other side. On the other side of the camera. Bye. Reveal. Skeleton family. Heading out of the farm now, leaving with some fries and chili cheese. We took all our pictures. We're ready to go. Oh my god, is that a skeleton eating a corn dog? What in the world?
Is this a skeleton? Like, you can't eat the corn dogs and just go straight.
It doesn't the food just go right through you? How are you eating that? Okay,
I'm
it
a
got
human
really dark.
skeleton.
You half human, half skeleton. Okay, bye. It's now time to take our makeup off. It was a good run. Good, like 4 hours with this on, but you can see once we tried to eat pizza, it came off, so.
Yeah. Also the stickers, my stickers were coming off. My
Yeah.
stickers are right here.
Yep. Well, we're gonna take off our makeup and keep just the other accessories on and make caramel apples. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. We got a little sushi roll running around. And that's the end of the night. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video. I definitely had a lot of fun dressing up. Despite everything that's going on, I hope everyone enjoyed their time and was still safe. You know, it's a fun time, and I think it's a little challenging trying to navigate like how we can still have fun while still, you know, keeping in mind the pandemic and everything that's going on, and just being mindful of what we're doing, but also still managing to have fun. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and had a fun and safe Halloween. I will see you in my next one. Bye.